How to add YouTube channel keywords. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google and search YouTube Studio. Simply log into your YouTube Studio and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On left side, you will find settings. Simply click on settings and then go to channel, which is below general. Simply click on channel and in here you'll find keywords. Add any keywords you want. After that, simply click on enter and your keyword will be added. Simply click on save on bottom and then you're good to go. This is how to add YouTube channel keywords. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.